It was hard to see inventory in real time. It was hard to see sales in real time. Telesis is the parent company for 5 separate entities. We have 3 manufacturing businesses, 4 restaurants, and a property holdings company.
Everyone at Algorithm that I've worked with, they're all incredibly competent. They all know the software, frontwards and backwards, back and forth, all the ways.
Kristen, the implementation expert for Algorithm, came out and she was like, I got to be there in person when they're going live.
It was an incredibly easy implementation. It has been just mind-blowing to be able to take a sales order from the opportunity through the process of making the calls and closing the sale, all the way through to AR, all in one system.
Previously, we were about 40 hours, and with the time savings, we're probably down 40% to about 25 man hours to get the months closed.
On my admin side, not having to do quadruple data entry is huge.
You can't go wrong with Algorithm.
Definitely somebody you should consider using as a reseller and somebody to implement your Acumatica.
We've been working with them for decades, so they have become family by choice, and I would choose no one else.